this park, so this will be new to me to learn about it. Looks like there's really a visitor center and hiking trails. Looks like the most well-known hiking trail is the Boardwalk Trail, which allows dogs. So we're going to do the 2.6 miles hiking trail at Boardwalk and see the visitor center. And then we're going to drive to Fairplay, South Carolina, where we're going to be making 9,000 trails there. So let's see what Congaree National Park is about. I have not the slightest clue. She's been restless, little monster. So she'll walk a bit, I'm sure, but I'll be carrying her most of the way. I have a sneaking suspicion, so we're bringing the backpack for sure. We're starting. Park's known for big cypress trees. I am all about some big trees. So we'll start walking and see what we can find. It is the middle of the day, so I don't suspect a lot of things. I didn't bring my camera. We'll see if I regret that. But I've got the 360 in my phone. They said that there's some reptiles out in the sun, but I should be able to catch some with my phone. It's pretty. Walk. So the book refers to the little stumps that rise up as its knees, cypress knees. I've never heard that. I'm gonna keep that one in my brains. And yeah, like we've talked about before, they're not entirely sure what happens, but it's believed that it helps them with stability because a lot of times this is all marsh covered in water. So having the extra system helps get more sunlight, helps get more air, offers more stability in this wet, mucky soil. Does that make sense? But I just, when I first saw them, I think it was Southern Louisiana, when I first saw the knees, it's just such a cool effect. If you haven't experienced it, get out here, come see them. Shade, lovely. The birds singing to me, lovely. Forest, lovely. I got my pamphlet so I can read the facts to you. I thought this one was cool. Here, the trees that you see average 130 feet, making it the tallest deciduous forest. I'm gonna take a sneaking suspicion that the redwoods are the opposite of that spectrum. I'll have to look that up. See our gator friend moving along. He's there. So this is West Lake. It used to be part of the Congaree River, but with the meandering and changing of the river, it left this, and now it is a lake. I see some fishes. Other than that gator and that anhinga we saw earlier, not seeing anything else right here. Oh, this part is magnificent. I love the leaves covering it. The other side had the swampy muck. And just these leaves add a touch of brightness to the floor and then dimension with the light. Oh, I think this is so amazing. Wow. I wondered. So that says it is an iron box used to distill alcohol from the Prohibition. It's remnants because, like Florida, they used these kind of areas during Prohibition to distill because it was so secret and out of the way. Cool. The state tree of South Carolina is the palmetto. These are dwarf palmettos. Cool. I do believe we're almost done with the trail. Relatively flat. Easy. 2.6 miles. Gosh, this forest is just crazy. I bet there are all sorts of owls and stuff in here. They said that some people saw barred owls, but I knew at noon there was no way I was going to see them. Mosquitoes are I'd say a 4 out of 10. They are annoying, but they are here.